Hey there, scientists. This is your lesson walkthrough on your lesson, Natural Hazards. When this lesson is over, your goal is that you can explain why earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions can be hazardous events. So why can those things be hazardous events? Short little background in video right here about nature's fury and an exhibit that's at a science museum that is meant to give you more background information about hazardous events. Your instruction is all here on slide 3. So you'll get some background information about earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, and then that goes much deeper in your video here. Explains those 3 hazards in greater depth and detail, and explains in general what natural hazards are. When you get to slide 4, that is your activity. So list what are 3 natural processes that can be hazardous to humans. And then on the right side of the page here, when you're in edit mode, you're going to drag the correct word to match each photo. So what is this a photo of? What is this a photo of? What is this a photo of? You'll obviously place your labels here under each of the photos. And then infer, why might a volcanic eruption be dangerous for airline traffic? So think about a volcanic eruption and what you learned about that in this lesson. And how could that be dangerous for airline traffic? You'll click here in the box to insert your response. Slide 6, there's some additionals. More information about natural disasters, natural hazards. There's a ton of background information that is here for you as a student, for teachers to use. And then these 3 are all external websites. So these 2 websites in this diagonal corner, they're going to give you more information and more links to learn more about natural hazards. This is a link from the NOAA website, which will tell you where all of the natural hazards like tsunamis and earthquakes and fires, where those are all happening on Earth, like in this current moment. So that's a very interesting map to look at. And then this is a simulation from the United Nations where you attempt to build a community that is going to be disaster resistant. And you can't stop 100% of all natural disasters, of natural hazards, but you're trying to build a simulation that would be disaster resistant. And it goes through multiple different natural hazards here. So that's a really cool one to check out. You'll want to give this one some time if you want to do it. It'll take you about 20 minutes to go through one hazard. And all of that work is so that at the end you can say that you can explain why earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions can be hazardous events. Enjoy the experience, scientists.